Alright guys, welcome back. So I had 2 trades today on Aapl, and we're in the money. We're in the money today. And this YouTube thing, I just have to get this off my chest. I was at 100 subscribers, and I made that clear yesterday, and now I'm back down to 99 subscribers. So I thought after 100 it was going to start to go up, at least a subscriber a day or something. I don't know how it works with the whole algorithm thing with your channels being recommended to other people, but I've been making a video almost every day, and I just can't seem to break that 100 subscriber mark. So if you are watching and you're not subscribed and you like the content, just hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask for. I'm just going to keep bringing the content, keep making these videos, and just enjoy everything I'm trying to put out, and hopefully I can help some people here and there along the way. And that's just about it. So I got into two trades this morning, and they were pretty early and they were fast on Aapl. They both should have been puts, but one was a put, one was a call, and I got lucky on the call because I did have a nice trend line set up, and it did not break that trend line, and I ended up getting really lucky, but I did make money. So it's going to be a recap day. Sorry about the lawnmower going off, if you guys can hear that in the background, but it's across the street. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is just a live chart today. So I didn't hit the record until after I was in the trade. So here's what happened. This line I have, 110.34, that was yesterday's close. We opened at 9:30, it dropped really hard. We opened at around 111. Dropped really hard. You could see the first 5-minute candle pull back from 111, well, over 111, all the way down to it tapped that line, and then it failed again. Then it broke below that line. Now I should have gotten puts. I should have waited for the next 5-minute candle to clear under that line, show a sell-off, show the red, and buy puts, but I didn't. I ended up getting in. Let me move my cursor so that this can get out of the way here. Come on. What's going on here? Screen. Maybe that'll help. I hate doing these recaps. It's so hard for me to trade with sound during the day because there's so much going on in the background of my house. You guys wouldn't be able to even follow it. So I trade with a lot of stuff going on in the background. I wish I had, a nice, quiet, easy place to trade, but not everyone has that. So I'm juggling other things while I'm trading. But anyways, because this stupid thing's not moving out of the damn way. There we go. So I ended up getting in the 111.25 September 18th. So that's right outside the money. That's one strike outside the money. And they were pretty cheap because they expired today. This is Aapl. You're talking $60. So let's see here. So I end up getting in this 1-minute candle as soon as it formed. It formed up here actually. and it was green. No, I'm sorry, it opened up here and it was green. So I got in like right here somewhere. I'm in the negative right now, so maybe I did get in close to this 110.34. I thought this candle was going to pop back over this. I don't know why I took this trade. I should have gotten the puts, but let's just play it. So I'm in 3 contracts, so 180 bucks. I think I got filled around 60. Alright, so I'm thinking this thing's going to break over this yesterday's close. But if it fails, I could add in more, because it's got to eventually pop back up. Man, these guys are mowing right outside of my window. So I'm in the green right now, but this thing is having a hard time selling off or pushing up. So this is a key area of resistance, yesterday's close, 110.34. It does not break that. Actually pops back down. So my thought is, because these are cheap and now they're even cheaper, I'm going to add in. So right here, wait, I'll just let the video play out. So right here I decide to buy 3 more. And it pops back down and fills me because I see green. I'm guaranteed, in the back of my head, I'm almost 100% sure that this thing's going to sell off all day, because we're not breaking this. This has been working for me. This previous day close, if it breaks above or tests it and fails below. So now I'm in 6 contracts. And I can maybe add 1 more, but then we have a nice pop up. Look at that, a nice pop up, and it still doesn't break that level. So I'm just ready to sell. I have my 6 set at market. So this was kind of a stupid trade and not really thought out too well, but right here we do get a push through, and I'm like, screw it, I'm selling right here, all of them. I'm not scaling out. And we had that nice pop up. I hit the top of that candle. I had to hit the top of that wick. So $31.82, so it's a $32 trade. Just in like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I still have $100 of settled funds, so these are pretty cheap. So I'm like, alright, this thing is definitely not breaking this 110.34. This is gonna sell off. This is gonna be a put day with this. I just got lucky. So I'm just waiting for a good entry point. And again, right outside the money for the put side. Look at this. This thing's guaranteed not to break this line. It's just like, as long as you make these. So I'm getting in right here, because it's testing it. It's testing yesterday's close. So I did not take that. I didn't get in right there. I should have got in right there. Oh, you know what? I missed that one. I think the price went up too fast, so I didn't even take it. So here comes a 9MA. Alright, so I get in right here because it did not break above the 9MA. I gotta pause for a second. I'll be right back. So I ended up placing the order right at the top of that candle. Well, not at the very top of the wick, but for the break of for the fail of the 9 moving average as it's coming down. Doesn't look like it's gonna break that. And I ended up getting filled at 97. So I just want to get a quick scalp in just to make a couple dollars. This is a make or break move because I can't add into anything. This is basically the rest of my settled funds. So there it is, just like I thought. It wasn't going to break above that moving average, and I just took profit, I think right around here. Just let it come down a little bit more. Right there. Just as it was failing. And that's it, 34.60 for the day. So 34.60 for the day, 99.53 for the week, because I had one $2 red day on Tuesday, which was pretty much a break even for me. So I was green 4 days this week, 4 out of 5 days, and I'm making just under $100 for the week, 25% for the week. I think I go to the day. Yeah, so just under 35 for the day, 34.60. So that's it. It's a good day. It's a good week, and we'll see what happens next week. My account's at 487 now. I was at 387 on Monday. So let's see if we could just continue this this profit next week. All right, guys. Have a good weekend.